could join us here at Newport on the 12th of November for our coffee morning for Cancer Fund for Children. We'll be here from 10 until 2, so why not drop in, join us for a cuppa, enjoy some treats and help us to raise money for Cancer Fund for Children. We'll also be having a resource day, so you'll be able to meet other leaders and staff, pick up some great ideas for your company and also attend some of our workshops. We'll have Made for More, Play It By Ear, Rock BMX and also a workshop about our Autism Toolbox. So if you can stay for half an hour or maybe for a few hours, why not come on Saturday the 12th of November at Newport. We'll be here from 10 until 2 and it would really help us with catering if you could register on the link below. We hope to see you then.